How to change the emojis next to people's name on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually change the emojis next to people's name on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First things first, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Snapchat app, let's say that you're tired of the same emoji next to your people's name or friend's name on Snapchat. If you're tired and bugged by it, you can actually also change any type of emojis on Snapchat. In order to do that, first of all, we will simply go ahead and launch the Snapchat application on our device. Once you launch the Snapchat app, you can see this is how it is going to look like. All we have to do is tap on the Bitmoji profile, which is on the top left corner of the screen, and then you have to simply tap on this gear icon which you see on the top right corner to come to our settings page. Once you come to our settings page, you will see all these options basically, and what you have to do is look for the option called customize emojis. So simply scroll down through the option called customize emojis on these options over here. As you find the option called customize emojis, just tap on it and you can actually change the type of emojis. For example, the ones which appear on next to your best friends over here, super BFF and then the BFF. You have besties, you have BFs, you have mutual besties, you have mutual BFs, and you have snap streaks as well. If you want to change the snap streak emoji, just tap on it and then select any of the emoji which you like. If you want to change mutual BFs emoji, then you can select it and then just select any of one. If you want to select mutual besties, then you can tap on it and then select any of the ones. If you like to change your BFs or besties and BFF or super BFF similarly, you will just go ahead and then save the changes. If you played with it too much and then you want to also reset it back to default, then just tap on the reset to default button at the bottom. Now what this does is that it is going to refresh and reload and reset all of the emojis which you've ever changed on Snapchat. And this is how you can change emojis next to people's name on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.